How to fix the Facebook ad payment failed. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I'm going to show you how you can solve this very problem of yours. So someday you might be doing some payment and then it shows you fail. So what you can simply do now is you must remember that you should update the latest version of Facebook, and after you have already updated it, log in with the credentials. You can also choose your other Facebook account if the certain Facebook account is not working. So after you do that, simply open your Facebook account and tap on the very three vertical lines on the top right side. Scroll down and tap on the very settings and privacy option. Now tap on the very order and payments option. You can also see the recent ad activity here. If you have done any payment, then you can also see it right here. Also, you can see it in order and payments. Tap on the order and payments. If you already have a payment method, then you can simply pay from there. But if it is not working, then I will suggest you to update it, and to update it you can simply add your credentials. Once again, tap on your very payment methods option, tap on add payments methods option. Now you can add your credit or debit card and also the PayPal account. For the credit or debit card, just enter your credentials and then you are done by just tapping on the save option. And you can also tap your PayPal account credentials right here, and then you can simply pay from your PayPal account to the Facebook ads as well. So that's how you can do it. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment on the comment section below. Thank you for watching.